Hey there, welcome back to another exciting video on our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic, prompt priming when using ChatGPT. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is prompt priming? Well, it's all about crafting well-designed prompts to guide the behavior and output of ChatGPT. By providing clear and specific instructions, you can influence the model to generate the desired response. Prompt priming can make a huge difference in the quality and relevance of the answers you receive. Now, let's talk about good prompt priming. This involves giving precise prompts to ChatGPT, which help the model understand your intent and generate accurate and meaningful responses. So, how can you create a good prompt? Let's take an example. Explain the causes and effects of climate change, including both natural and human factors. Take a look at this prompt. It's specific and provides clear instructions on what you want to know. By including key details like the causes and effects of climate change, as well as specifying both natural and human factors, you're guiding the model to focus on those specific aspects. This improves the chances of getting a comprehensive and relevant response. On the flip side, we have bad prompt priming. This happens when the instructions given to the model are vague, ambiguous, or lack clarity. Let's see an example. Tell me about climate change. Here's a general prompt that lacks specificity. When you provide such a broad prompt, the model might struggle to understand your exact requirements. As a result, you may receive incomplete or unfocused information that doesn't fully address your query. So, how can you ensure effective prompt priming? Here are some tips to keep in mind. 1. Be specific. Clearly state what information you're looking for and any specific details you want the model to include. 2. Provide context. If necessary, give the model some background information to help it better understand the context of your query. 3. Specify a desired format or perspective. If you have a preferred format, such as a step-by-step explanation, or want the model to consider a specific perspective, mention it in the prompt. Good prompt priming involves providing clear and specific instructions, leading to more accurate and relevant answers. On the other hand, bad prompt priming occurs when the prompts are vague or lack clarity, resulting in less satisfactory responses. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial on prompt priming helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.